Law of Attraction Success Story number 7. Hey, Scott Haug here. In today's video, I think you're going to be blown away by what results and good things came into Allie's life by working with us. Now, Allie was coming in, she was already quite successful. She had owned a gym for a long time, had a lot of great clients, had a lot of good things happening in her life, but she was ready for the next level, and you might feel that same way. Like, you're doing well, things are going, but you're ready for a whole new level in your life in business, and that was Allie's part there and role. She really wanted a next level result come into her life. We started working together, and she had a goal of earning $50,000 a month with her fitness business. She had a brick and mortar actual gym, so it wasn't just online fitness, and she was at her max capacity. She had a full schedule already. She was doing one-on-ones all day and had some really good things happening, but she was very time and energy constraint, if you will, with where she could free up her energy to create $50,000 a month. Just by working together right away, we started to do some strategizing. We started to change her perspective on some things. And what happened was we started to change things so much, she started to do 2-on-1 clients and 3-on-1 clients and align her energies in the right way to allow an influx of so many new clients that she couldn't even handle the success that came through. And she had to give some of her clients off to her trainer that also was working out of her gym. Long story short, within just a couple of months' time, she had tripled her income and then some just by working together and starting to re-strategize how things were going. I also helped her get through her terror barrier of expanding her gym. She had a fear of doing that. She always wanted to, but it just never happened. And we jumped through that fear. You can do the same as well. It just takes a different mind to think through some things, a different alignment, a different attunement with where you want to go. And as soon as you start to tune in with where you want more of the time, things are going to be generated in your world to allow you to increase the success and the money. It doesn't matter if you're in a full-time job or in a business or anything like that. It will start to happen for you, which is quite amazing. Now, Allie will reference the phrase here, thinking into results, or TIR. That was a past program that we had been offering. Right now we're offering a few different coaching programs and next level mentoring with me. So the name of the program's different, the program's different, but it's a higher level program than ever before. It's called Certified Manifestation Coach with Next Level Mentoring, where you can get next level mentoring from me for a 12-month capacity, one-on-one and small group. So both of those at the same time, so you get the best of both worlds. And you're going to get and achieve next level results just like Allie did, just within a few months' time. How much fun would that be for you if you could come in, start getting some mentorship, start getting more structure in a soul tribe environment to help yourself exceed to a whole new level? That is where we take you. So definitely listening to Allie's testimonial here. I think you'll be blown away by her results and the energy she brings to the table. Definitely check it out. And then in the description below, if you are also called to work with us, check out the description below, book a call with my team, and we'll chat.
I'm Allie, and I recently finished the TIR program. I am a gym owner, and I do personal one-on-one fitness training all day long. And I knew that, and I'm very successful, but I knew there was something inside of me that said, Allie, you can do more than what you're doing. And so I signed up in the TIR program with Scott Haug. And I want you to know it's the best thing I have ever done for myself. We set myself a big goal, and while I was scared to death of that goal, I knew I had it in me to reach it. And so I took these action steps to reach these goals, and in the interim, a lot of other little goals came, I accomplished. And some of those are, I had a huge influx of new clients. So many, in fact, that the other trainer that works alongside me had to take on my overflow. I was super proud of that and very thankful. Another huge win was I got a chance to expand my gym. I had been thinking about it for so long, and with following some of the techniques used in this class, I literally broke through that terror barrier and expanded my gym. it was a good help having this program with me. And lastly, up until now, I've only offered one-on-one training. And so I broadened my horizons, kind of got a little more open-minded. Now I'm taking two-on-one clients. And so doing the math on a two-on-one, I've definitely reached the goal that I set for myself 6 months ago. So like I said earlier, this is the best thing I've ever done for myself. The Thinking into Results program with Scott, perfect for me. I can see myself taking this throughout my life. Thanks.